Welcome to the GPS Map Camera tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to use the Stamp Size feature, a great way to customize the size of the stamp that appears on your photo or video. Let's get started. First, open the GPS Map Camera app. Now, tap the template icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. To adjust the stamp size, select any template you prefer. Then, click on the Edit button. This will open the template settings screen. Now scroll all the way down until you find the stamp size option. Tap on Stamp Size. Here you'll see multiple options for stamp size. You can choose any stamp size option as per your choice. As you select a size, you'll also see a preview of how the stamp will appear on your screen. Once done, tap the back button to return to the camera screen. Now you'll see your stamp displayed in the size you chose. You're all set. Go ahead and capture your photo or video with your custom stamp size. And that's it. Now you know how to use the stamp size feature in GPS Map Camera. Try it today and personalize your photos and videos with India's #1 authentic app.